What's that thing doing, Æleric? Get it! You tell it it's not welcome here. That's right. We don't like loud noises. Barks are okay. Yeah. What? What's it doing? What? Hey, buddy. Æleric. He's a good boy. Yes, you is. That's right. You let me know if there's surprisingly loud noises out here. Huh. That's right. So, Æleric doesn't like it when we... That's right. Tell it. So it works. It is really crazy to let the pressure out, though. It is super loud. Looks like my goats are going to come back. Yeah, that's pretty loud, huh, goats? Poor goats. Yep, and then this dog here, we ran like crazy. But she's the baby. Well, what do you think, goats? Now we can get some work done, huh? All right.